To create a personalized home decor e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, you just go with login and you type in your email or your username. And after typing your email, you click on next. Then you proceed to type in your password when it's loaded. So here, after typing your password, you click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating your store is choosing a name for the store. And it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. After choosing the name, click on continue. Then you have a question and you have 3 answers. You choose the answer that fits you. Then you do the same with this other question. And then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So here my store or my online store is in the niche of personalized home decor. So I'm going to choose home and living. And if you can't find your category in this list, just go with other, then click on continue. After that, if you already have a store in the real world, you type in the address of that store. If not, just skip this step and you let them and you give them a second to build your store. Then you proceed to your dashboard, as you can see. And here in your right, you have the edit site button and also the design now button. And both of them take us to the editing phase. And here in your left, you have 9 sections, and I'm going to go through each one of these sections and explain it for you, starting with website, where we have the edit site button and also the domains button, where you can set your domain name or change the one that you already have. Then we have the items section, where you have the site items if you want to create new products or change the ones that you already have. Then we have the site categories, where you can categorize your products or change the categories that you created before. Then we have options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. And that's it for this section. Then we have orders, where you can check all of your orders to see the fulfilled one, the shipped one, and also the cancelled one, and so on. Then we have the fulfillment section, where you can set your pickup settings or your shipping settings. Then we have the reports section, where you can check or see your site's traffic settings reports, your site's traffic reports, the site's activity reports, sources reports, online sales reports, site items reports, and so on. And if you want to see the summary of all these reports, you just go with summary. Then we have the marketing section, where you can find every tool that is related to growing your audience, starting with email, automated ads, mailing lists, segments, and setup. And again, if you want to see the summary of all these tools, you just click on summary. Then we have the communications section, where you have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. And last but not least, we have the settings section, where you have the general settings. And by clicking on it, it's where you can change your company name or your address, your email, or your phone number. So this is where you can change all of those: your company name, your address, your email, and your phone number. Then we have the checkout, where you can set your payment processors, like connecting your Stripe account or your PayPal account. Then you have the sales taxes, where you can control your taxes. And then you have the units, where you can change your site's language and edit the units that you have. So that's it, guys, for these sections. Let's close this one and let's go back to the overview. And then we click on the edit site and let's proceed to the editing phase. So here you will just need to give it 15 minutes or less. so that they build your site, and it will complete loading. So here, as you can see, you have the setup guide if you want to go with it. If not, just ignore it, it will disappear right now. And they will show us the styles, which is the first step of creating your store, which is choosing one of these styles and check your template if it fits it. Then you proceed to the site design. So first, let's just wait for the template to be fully loaded. And here it is, it's still loading and it's fully loaded. Then let's choose one of these styles. Let's check this one. Let's see. I think this one is not that good. I'm going to choose this one. No, it's not the one. Let's check this one, which is in white and black. Very simple. No, this one also is not. So I'm going just to go with this one, which have the writing in white, as you can see, and then click on apply site styles. And then you have the site design, where you can change the styles again. If you want to add an image to be your logo, change colors, change fonts, which I'm going to change from this one to Comforta. Then click on done. After that, I'm going to change the shape of the buttons from pill to rounded, and for images from sharp to rounded. Then click on done, and then click on done again. And here, if you want to search for a domain name, you can just type the domain name in here and click on search. If not, just close this one and dismiss all, dismiss. And here you have the plus button if you want to add a new section, page, or so on. And here you have all of your sections and your pages. If you want to change them, just click on it. If you want to hide one or show it, as you can see. If you want also to delete it, by clicking on the delete button. And so if you want to change the placement of it. And here you can play with all these adjustments. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.